Hi girlfriends, my name's Ella and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will share how I applied for the COVID Visa 408. And I think this would be beneficial to a lot of temporary residents here in Australia. So as much as possible, I'll try to speak in English. So yeah, if you want to know more about that, then please keep on watching. Okay, so the COVID Visa 408 is like a COVID response visa for everyone who's currently working in Australia or ever since the COVID pandemic started. I think the government's way of bringing the economy back to pre-COVID state and yeah, basically keep it going, because I think a big portion of the workforce in Australia are immigrants. So this is for them or for us to stay here in Australia with full working rights. So I will put the link of the COVID Visa 408 from the immigration website below in the description. So if you want to know more about it, check that out. Because yeah, obviously I'm not an immigration agent. These are all based from my experience and based on what I did. I applied for the COVID Visa 408 back in October 2021. And as of recording this video, I'm still on the bridging visa. So that's almost, I think, 10 months of waiting for the bridging visa. But for my case, I think that's favorable on my part. I'm trying to get as much time as I can and experience as I can with my current role, so I can get a positive skills assessment and apply for PR, hopefully. Okay, so COVID visa is free, first of all. So you'll see how you can get it for free, or what the sort of code that you need to put on the exemption in the immigration website. So please do check out that link. So let's go to the requirements that I've submitted. So first one is the contract of employment. So this is just something I requested from the HR department where I'm currently working. And then I just ask them to specify what my role is and then where is the site that I'm working on, so that I can use it as a proof that I'm working in a critical sector. So the COVID visa, you can get up to 3 months of validity if you're working in a non-critical sector, and up to 12 months if you're working under a critical sector or critical industry. So I think the critical industries would include transport, childcare, food processing, disability sector. I'm not entirely sure, so please check out the immigration link. Apart from the certificate of employment, I also got extract of my pay slips, at least the last 3 months, I think. So this is to prove that you have the means of supporting yourself here in Australia. So yeah, you can update it as much as you like. Another requirement is the health insurance. So for my case, I got the visitor's cover as my health insurance type. So you can choose from any providers depending on what you require. I just signed up for a monthly health insurance cover, and then I just uploaded the proof for that. Next one that I uploaded is the evidence of working under a critical sector. So apart from the supporting document, which is my certificate of employment, I also took a screenshot from the, I think, Australian Bureau of Statistics that will show that my industry is under one of the critical sectors. I also uploaded my passport, obviously, and other IDs that I can provide, both local and international IDs. I also uploaded my police checks from my originating country and from here in Australia. Then lastly, I wrote up a statement, or like a genuine temporary entrant, I think, or GTE statement, that includes my current situation, why I want to be considered for the COVID Visa 408, detailed description of my current role under that critical sector. I also indicated like a brief statement in there why an Australian local could not fill my position. So that's it, basically. Those are all the requirements that I've submitted. And I've gathered all those information based on reading the immigration website and joining forums, Facebook groups, sharing all the information on their respective experiences. So I think it's relatively easy. Most of the applicants don't engage with an immigration agent for this. And yeah, the visa is free itself anyway, so yeah. Hopefully my visa gets approved. That's it for my video. If I get any more updates, I'll keep you posted. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!